So are you able to see the screen? No,
हाँ सर.
screen is visible. Okay, okay. So this is a block diagram of direct numerical control. The short form of machine is a DNC. Okay. In the main exam, maybe in the question paper, they may ask, they may mention, maybe explain block diagram with a DNC machine. Okay, you don't get confused in the DNC, means it is a long form of direct numerical control. Then one more name is there, that is distributive numerical control machine. Okay, please you have to remember this. Okay, in the previous classes I am discussing the two different machines, NC machine. So NC machine I am going to discussing NC in the sense numerical control machine. I am going to be discussing in the previous class. In the first class I am discussing that only. NC machine block diagram, NC machine components, NC machine advantage, NC machine disadvantage, NC machine applications. So these are the things discussed in the introduction class. After that, again very important machine, okay, for the mechanical field, that is the name of the machine is CNC, computer numerical control machine. So that also I am discussing in the previous classes. It means previous in the sense last two classes we are going to discuss in the CNC, comparison of CNC as well as NC machine, applications, advantage and disadvantage. These are all the topics, okay, we are going discussing from the 3 to 4 classes, because actually you are attending I think today only, so that's what I'm remembering the topics. Okay, if you have a time,
Okay.
please go through these topics. Okay, then whatever I'm going to
Okay sir.
prepare in the slides, I will send to you, no problem. Okay, then already we
Okay sir.
sent to the soft copy of the whatever the models, all the 4 models we sent to the group only. Okay, if anything, if it's not
हाँ
problem,
sir.
you can contact me. Okay, any notes you want, any slides you want, okay, anything problem happen, you
Okay
can
sir.
please contact me. Okay, okay.
Okay sir. Okay sir.
Okay. I will start with the new machine, that is direct numerical control machine.
हाँ sir.
So okay, mute it, mute it, mute it. Okay, okay. So here in the slide you can able to see here. I think very important machine it is. Okay. So continuous effort of the research and development. Okay. So we are going to be in the means we are going to be today we are going to discussing the new important machine is, that is the direct numerical control machine. So we have a syllabus that machine shop lab as well as the some manufacturing processes operations are there. That operations in that lathe machine we are going to use. So that machines in the machine shop lab we did the many different operations like knurling we did, step turning we did, different operations we did in a manually. Okay, so that is means if suppose if you have a knowledge how to operate, then only it is possible to do the operations. If you don't have a knowledge or something, it is very difficult, means 100% achievement or 100% result is not proper, not get in the lathe machine, because maybe a human error, many errors will be occur in the lathe machines and all, then it is very difficult also, yes or no. So for that reason laborers need more. So nowadays, wow, how the population is going to be increasing, the demand is also increasing, yes or no, day by day mechanical field is also be improving. So because of that reason, the continuous effort, whatever the problems we are facing in the lathe machine, whatever problems we are facing in the NTM machine, so came up with a solution, that is in the 1960. Okay, that a machine is called as a CNC machine. After that, in the 1970 or 1980, in that year, again we modified, again we changes, again I need to improve the more whatever number of products I need to produce. So because of that reason, I came with the new machine, that is a direct numerical control. Okay, so direct numerical control, already it is appear in the image. Okay, just see the block diagrams, what are the components are there, I would like to explain. See here, I think it is I think it can able to, okay, this is a host computer. Please remember the components, this is very important. If you understand these components, then I will explain one by one, then you will understand very clearly. So this is host computer, and this is NC programming, means you can call it as a storage device here, and here these lines are there. So just you have to concentrate three. One machine control unit is there, second machine control unit, third machine control unit, and here you can able to see here, this is a machine tool. Actually the raw material is counted into finished product here, machine 2, machine 3 machine. In the slide, what we can able to see in the slide, in the diagram, only one host computer is there, 3 machine control units are there, that connect into a 3 CNC machine. Just you have to imagine, for your understand purpose I'm telling, here the one possibility I will tell, this machine is maybe you can imagine or consider CNC or NC. Okay, only the little whatever the comparison of CNC and NC machine, the previous slide in the previous class I have discussed. Okay, now again we discussing means it will take another 1 hour. Okay, so I will send the slide to you. If you are not understand also you can ask me. Very important and very easiest are they, not difficult, nothing. Okay, very simple it is. So we'll come to the DNC. Only one thing we have to understand in the CNC machine, what will happen here. So we are having one computer. With that computer, so we are going to preparing part programming, that whatever the program is going to preparing, we stored in the computer. With the help of that computer, we are going to be connecting the servo motor. The whatever the program is going to be converting in the format of the whatever the servo motor, it helps to converting the whatever the program into a mechanical action. So that mechanical means servo motor in sense machine control unit. So here what will happen, here computer is there, program we feed, that program is converted into machine operations. Okay, without any human work, human work needed here. In the absence of human, we are going to producing the product, that is a CNC. Okay, here DNC means what, very important, because in the CNC only one computer, only one CNC machine, but in the DNC number of machines you can able to set, machines you can able to connect, either maybe a numerical control, either maybe a CNC, computer numerical control. Both the possibilities options will be there in the DNC. So this is very important and very more advantage than the CNC as well as the NC machine. Okay, so that I am going to discussing today topic. DNC means we know that, yes or no? So I would like to discuss the theory part, then you will understand the what is actually DNC. Distributive or direct numerical control is a technology that allows a single computer to be networked with one or more machines that use computer numerical control. So here I mentioned only one computer is there, that is you can call as a central computer, or you can call it as a host computer. That computer is having only one computer, can connect many more other machines, is called as a distributive or direct numerical control machine. Okay, come to the second point. Distributive numerical control is allow multiple operation in multiple machine with the help of single hosting computer. So this second point meaning is that, so in CNC machine only one computer, only one machine, only one operation is possible. But here in the DNC machine, we change that the whatever the connections, only one computer can multiple, means if you handle at a time the 3 operations, means if you connected 3 machine, 3 operation, if you connected the 5 machines, 5 operations. Okay, means that depending upon the machines. Okay, actually it is a like how you're going to set in the C programming in a LAN and WAN, local area network and the wide area network, how you going to connecting one computer to other computer, no, like that only it is happened. Okay, so here only with the help of one computer, hosting computer, a central computer, we are going to be run the multiple machines, multiple operations. This is the second point meaning. And third one is for your understanding purpose, for your clearly I mentioned that in DNC machines machining rate is 3 times more than the CNC machine, because it is not fixed 3 only. Okay, actually it means how much machines you are going to connect it, that is left to you, that much of a percentage of the CNC means comparing will happen, because if you connect the 5, then 5 more than 5, like that. So for your understand purpose 3 I mentioned. Okay, so means it what it indicates, if you 1 minute, if a 1 minute time you will produce a one job in a CNC machine, that type of same 1 minute we are going to producing the 3 components, because 3 machines are there, that's what I am mentioning the 3 only. Okay, 3 components, what it indicates, whatever the faster rate of production is the faster the DNC than the CNC, because 1 minute only one product. In the DNC we are going to producing within a 1 minute 3 products, 3, 4, 5, whatever how much number of machines you are going to connect, that much only, yes or no? So means this is the main difference of the CNC and DNC. I hope you understand DNC points about the theory part, introduction part. You understand theory? Akshay, are you understanding? Okay, come to the second slide. So this is the main diagram. So here block diagram is very important, maybe in the exam. Okay, maybe in the final exam or maybe in the internal exam, the chances of question will comes to the DNC. In the exam they may ask explain working principle, or explain with a block diagram, or explain with the components of DNC machine. they may ask in the exam. Okay, please you have to remember the components, and very easy block diagram is there. You have to draw this neatly diagram and label the parts and start explaining about the parts. Okay, so once again I will repeat here the block diagram. Host computer, NC programming, and connected to the three machine control unit. Okay, then that machine control unit connected to the machine tool. Okay, so this whatever they explain of the components I will explain in the next slide. So shall I go for next slide?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So here, see here, the components of DNC, direct numerical control. The first part is, so I can say that computer, whatever the host computer, or you can call it as a central computer. So their computer, the main part is CPU, the central processing unit. I think you have, you know about the central processing unit and all. Okay. The CPU is the heart of the computer, but I mentioned here the CNC means CNC in the sense DNC or CNC. These are the computer you want to use. You can write in the DNC also, CNC also. The CPU is the heart of the DNC and CNC system or computer. And second point is it consists of a motherboard, RAM, ROM, PLC. Okay, so these are the main devices having in the computer CPU. So these are helpful to the store the program. Okay, converting one form to other form. These are the things will be in the CPU. And third one is the part program stored in a memory. Okay, this program data is decoded and transformed into specific position, control and velocity signals by PLC and sent into the servo motor through a servo amplifier. Because here after the computer, I said that machine control unit is there. That machine control unit is having a electronic and hardware component that is again send whatever the part program into the convert into the mechanical action. The mechanical action will be happen due to the servo motor. The servo motor you can able to see here. See here, this is a servo motor and this is a control panel. It is like this only. So if you not seen the any CNC machines and all, so a few of them are having the doubts how the servo motor will be actually, it is configuration means diagram, then how the panel will be there. So for your understanding purpose, I mentioned this is in the slide, a control panel as well as the servo motor. I hope I think everyone have seen the CNC machine, no doubt in that. So I'll go for the topic. Okay, so this is the second component. So machine control unit. So machine control unit you can able to see here. So this is very important component. This is the second one is the machine control unit. Machine control units you can able to see 1, 2, 3, because three tools are there. One machine, second machine, three machines. Actually the whatever the component we are going to converting from raw to finished product, it is happened here only 1, 2 and 3. Before that the machine control unit will be there. That's I will explain how the machine control role will be there. The second basic component of DNC, okay, the second basic component of the direct numerical control machine is machine control unit. A servo motor is an electrical device which can push or rotate an object with a great precision. If you want to rotate an object at some specific angles or distance, then you use servo motor. So nothing in that. Well, in the previous slide I shown the which one servo motor, how the device will be there. It is actually a electrical device. What is the main thing is that whatever the part program is going to feed into the software or a computer that convert into a mechanical action. The main role of the mechanical action is the servo motor. The servo motor works on the servo amplifier. Okay, based on that. So here what is the role of this? You can push or rotate, or you can move from one place to another place of the workpiece as well as tool. This is the main function role of the servo motor. This servo motor we are going to fix in the machine control unit. I hope you understanding clearly. Nothing difficult here. Very easiest concept is there. Okay, one of the easiest model also. So one of the easiest means you can understand generally. So you can write in the exam generally number of points also you can write. Okay, thing is that you have to understand the concept. What is NC, what is CNC, then what is DNC. So this difference you understand, then block diagram you understand. Nothing in that, very simple it is. Okay, within 1 hour also you can able to complete the topics also. Okay, third point, it is just made up of simple motor which run through servo mechanism. That only I say that, because this is whatever the machine control unit having a servo motor, the servo motor is with the help of the servo amplifier going to be run. And comes to the third component. Okay, This is which one, a machine tool. Okay, this is machine tool in the sense this I am not mentioning in the diagram, don't confuse. Whatever this machine is, you can disable, no, that is called as a machine tool. Machine tool, machine tool, machine tool, can able to mention, or you can write as a say machines, NC machine or NC machine, NC machine. Okay, so in the NC machine only actually tool is going to be work. That is the main role of the tool, and how it going to be converting raw material into a finished product. Okay, with the help of what component, that we are going to study in the step by step. Already we know the two components of the role, and third one is, this is the third basic component of DNC machine, the machine tool that can perform the actual work, whatever the work as per the dimensions, as per the operations, as per the what dimensions you given, what the angle cut, everything is going to be done in this here. That is a machine tool. Okay, that is a machine tool that can perform the actual work over here. Okay, actual work will be happen in the third one, that is a machine tool. And third point comes to the third point, machine tool convert raw workpiece into the complete workpiece. This is very important, where actually the work is going to be happened, that is inside the third component, that is called as a machine tool. And see here, the machine tool controlled by the MCU, means machine control unit. The MCU stands for machine control unit. Whatever this machine tool comes to the slide block diagram, this is we called as a machine tool, this is machine control unit, this is computer. Okay, here the actually the work is going to be happen, whatever the finished raw material is converted into finished product over here with the help of machine control unit. In the machine control unit is having their servo motor. The servo motors, whatever is going to be push, rotate, or it is going to be move distances of the workpiece as well as the tool, it is happened here. Then whatever the requirement as per the whatever the how much distance we have to move, how much angle rotate happen, okay, what is the depth of cut, what is the feed rate, what is the operation, how much coolant is going to supply, everything will be there in the host computer. Those who are going to preparing the program for the different operations, he is going to be mentioning the everything with the help of G codes and M codes. Capstone already we have studied in the 6th semester CNC lab also. You know that, yes or no? Just a basic concept I am going to discussing. Everything prepared in the G codes and M codes and feed into the or store into the computer. As per that whatever program, it is going to be run the machine. So finally we get the, as per the requirement, we get the finished product. Sorry. So I hope you understand the, I think clearly the components of things also. And one more important concept is that telecommunication line. Telecommunication line in the sense cable. We can, for answering purpose, I will tell that telecommunication line in the sense cable that is going to be connecting one computer to the servo motor to the machine tool. So this is also very important. Okay, in the exam, if you want, you can mention this point also. Okay, come to the next important. Hello, sorry for that. Okay, comes to the second point. I think next slide, that is advantages of DNC. This is very important. Okay, why we are using? Already we are having the lathe machine. Already we are having the non-traditional machine. Already we are having the NC machine, numerical control machine is there. Already we are having the such a nice machine, that is a CNC machine. So again, why it is needed? Why it is used? What is the advantage of the DNC? This is a very important question, and it is commonly arising to everyone. So commonly it's arise a question, that is what the advantage of DNC. So this is very important points for the examination point of view as well as your knowledge point of view. Comes to the first point, elimination of puncture tape and tape reader. In the beginning class, in the first class or introduction class, I discussed clearly in the NC machine what are the devices we want to use, components, and CNC machines. So here the first point is elimination of puncture tape and tape readers are there, no? This will be elimination in the sense there is not used puncture tape and tape reader will not use in the DNC. So where we are going to use this whatever the tape, punch tape and tape readers we are going to use in the NC machine. Okay, so that first point I am mentioning advantage, there is no need to use puncture tape and reader tape. Okay, directly you are having a computer having a space to store the program and run the program. First advantage this is. And second point is greater computational capability and flexibility. Greater computational capability and flexibility. So here, how the means capability and flexibility. What will happen here? Flexibility means if you go for the CNC and NC machine and other lathe machines, so DNC is more flexibility than that. So you have to write this point also. Greater computational capability, and so you can able to produce number of components within short time. This you can gives the meaning of the greater computational capability of flexibility. The machine is more flexibility than the other machines. And third one is convenient storage of NC part program is computer files. Here storage option will be there. Okay, if you want a number of operations, number of program, okay, n number of programs repeatedly can store permanently also. This option will be there in the DNC, but this option will be not there in the lathe machine as well as in the NC machine. Okay, so this is the main advantage of the DNC machine. And comes to the fourth point, that is programs stored as CL file. So this is very important. This is one type of it is. So actually it is in the whatever conversion of one programs into a mechanical action, no, that will happen. What will happen? The tool automatically it will generate the whatever the output. Okay, it is going to be start certain point where it produces the generic output. Okay, it can understand it automatically. This we call as file is called as a CL file. It is stored in the program also. Okay, and fifth one is reporting. Of shop performance. Okay, and sixth one is establish the framework of evaluation of future computer. Means here it can means computer integrated manufacturing means automation. So whatever the modifications we did in the establish of the framework of evolution future of the computer, what will happen in the previous olden days we are not going to use it in this whatever the computer based or machine based manufacturing will be not there. Yes or no? When we start implementing the DNC, so these are the SIM computer integrated manufacturing will be implemented in the production field. And the seventh point is very important. 2 to 5% increase in the operational efficiency. I mentioned that in the previous slide more than the 3 components. Here they clearly mentioned 2 to 5% increase in operational efficiency of CNC machine tools. He is going to be just comparing the CNC, okay, but if comparing the other machines it is more than that also. Okay, for this 2 to 5% is only for the when you start with the comparison CNC, the cost of the DNC installation can be recovered quickly. Okay, whatever the DNC means it is high cost machine, for the DNC installation can be recovered. Means if the amount is more, even the production is also more, no, because you will get the recovery in the very short time. So these are the main advantages of the DNC machine. I hope you understand this DNC machine advantages and I think different components of the DNC machine and the block diagram and little bit theory part of the DNC machine. I hope you understand. Akshay? Okay. Come to the next slide. I think yes, you can take any machines or anything. So disadvantages will be it will be there. Okay, so problem will be there. Okay, then what are the means this much whatever the applications and what is the advantages and working principle, everything we have discussed. Okay, this machine is good. Okay, again we are having some problems, means that limitations, or you can call it as a disadvantages. So what are these? Okay, advantages of DNC machine. Maybe a chances of in the main exam explain DNC, maybe one question, and next question maybe a chance of mention its list of the advantage disadvantage applications of the DNC machine. So these are the kind, means next question explain the components of DNC machine, explain the block diagram of DNC machine. This kind of questions will be going to be arise in the exam. Please prepare for this. Okay, disadvantages. The first one is very expensive. The machine, whatever the DNC machine is there, so the cost is very high compared to CNC and NC as well lathe machine. it is a very expensive, means cost wise it is a very high. And second one, highly skilled worker is needed. If you want to run, if you want to produce the product from a DNC, okay, if suppose in the CNC machine is not needed that much of a skilled person, because here nothing, man work is very zero here. But here we are going to use the number of CNC machines, yes or no? But thing is that whatever the programs we are going to, means computers we are going to connecting to the one machine to another machine, so multiple operations are there, multiple machines we are going to use. So obviously highly skilled worker is needed for the DNC machine. This is also one of the limitations, or you can call it as a disadvantage of DNC machine. And comes to the third point, that is high maintenance cost. So maintenance will be more in here, okay. So because the number of electronics, row motors, okay, and these are the components we are going to use in the machines. So it sometimes will happen in the, if you not properly run the machine, it sometimes will give any happen the damages and also. So because of that reason, I can mention that this is also one of the limitation, high maintenance cost. So I hope you understand very clearly, Akshay. Okay, Akshay.
Sir.
Okay. I hope you understand, no? CNC
Sir.
concept is clear. Okay.
Sir.
Okay, okay, no problem. Because tomorrow last another few slides are there, but it's not possible to cover everything today. Okay, so
Okay, sir.
I would
Okay,
like to stop today class. Okay, then tomorrow you
sir.
have to join early in the morning, early in the, as per the timetable. Okay, okay.
Okay. Okay,
Thanks
sir.
thanks for the attending, Akshay. Okay, okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Welcome, welcome. Huh?
Welcome.